Good morning to all traders and welcome to another Markets in Waves. Today it is the 6th of October and we're going to have a quick analysis on the index, dollar, yen, gold, S&P and natural gas. On DXY, if you remember last time we've left over here that we wanted a corrective leg and then continuation up for 3, then 4 and then 5. That's still the case, so I expect a fresh high. And then of course correction and then another high and then drop. Now might be a case where we're not going to get two highs but just one. That would most likely mean that this is 1 and 2, sorry, not too low. Yeah, that would be 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. I just don't like that structure to be one wave to the upside. That one looks more like of a 5-wave structure that belongs in the same degree. Okay. So this is what I'm looking for the DXY, purely because of the current sort of market dynamics. Now, are we heading up from here? I'm not sure. It looks like to me, if we judge from that correction, that this can be in already, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll do the 4 and the 5. But it could be also a case where we might get an ABC here, and a flat like 5-wave down, or we might get a triangle or something else. So that might just come after we get a fresh high in wave 4, if that makes sense, and then continue up. I see the 94.72 being a very strong resistance level either way, whatever sort of thing comes first. Now on dollar yen looks like it's moving higher, right, even as we speak, but I'm not sure that the correction is over. Okay, first of all, it looks like to me this is more of an ABC. Okay, and that might be an ABC as well. We might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct a bit lower and then continue all the way up. Or at the same time, it also looks like that might be that's an A, the B, and the C. So we might get that in corrective wave B and then go in C and then move all the way up. You see what the difference is here. So where is this going to be invalidated for a potential flat? It's going to be first at 112, then 112.80, 112.15, and then finally 112.58. Okay, if 112.58 does not hold and we see some sort of increase in volumes as well, it's most likely a wave 3. I know it's a long way to the invalidation, but this is what the market structure shows us. Maybe we'll stop here at 78.6, then most likely that's going to be an ABC. Okay, we're going to get to around 110, 110.20 or so, and then start moving higher up. Or as I said before, maybe the correction is just over, very shallow, if I might add, for a wave 2, but this is all we get. Now, what we could see potentially here is that moving higher and getting another high here and offering some sort of divergence, but we need of course to track that, to monitor it hour by hour to see what the case is. Now don't forget that for wave 3, guys, we really need to see increasing volumes over here, and that for now as the beginning of a wave 3 is not really convincing. Gold is correcting for me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 over here, and ABC very likely down to 1740 or so, and then we'll continue up, or we might just do a fresh low and continue up from a fresh low. Now you might ask, why 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and not like having my 3 here and my 4 and my 5 here? Well, this is an ABC. Okay, simply that's the reason. So and it's not a triangle because it's very elongated, like in terms of period, when we compare with wave 2. Okay, so that is the one that makes more sense. So this is either 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for A, then B and a C, or A, B, C, or we might get, or we might get A, B and C. Okay, for a flat or something. Anything is possible but a triangle over here. Now if we cross back above this trend line, then we really need to look at the previous high. That will be the next validation. If we break above the previous high, then our correction is finished. Yeah, our correction is finished. This is ABC. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A lot of scenarios here to think about, guys, but intraday I mean, the end of the day is literally what is going to give us more of a signal. Okay, so that's why it's always good to take a step back, zoom out, and look what's happening. Now, if we do break below wave one at 1734, the room for deeper wave two, it's opening up down to the 1713 first, and then even down to the 85%, I would say, between these two, around the 1700. Delete, and then we go to S&P. Well, below this we're bearish, below this we're bearish, below this we're bearish, below this we're bearish, below this we're bearish. 5 different points. Yeah. What structure is this? Looks like more of an ABC. Oops, excuse me. Okay, looks like more of an ABC. I think I clicked the wrong button here somewhere. There will ABC for W, X, and Y, or X and Y, yeah, or A, B, C. Everything is possible. We need to wait and see how markets are going to react when they open. But bearish below that level, whatever the structure is. Okay, it pretty much okay. What the structure is makes a difference, obviously, but we don't really care when we're trading, because what mostly is important is the direction, right? So, and the patterns give us directional clues. So this is for the S&P. To be fair, I think we're gonna have to look at a potential move down to 42.30, but also don't forget that my wave 4, and as the preferred count changed, is down close to the 4K. So don't be surprised if we get there. Don't also forget is October. Natural gas had me playing around a bit, to be fair, guys, because I prefer to see volumes increasing where we're going wave 3. So that has not really been the case over here. Internally fine, but then I had 3 and 4 over here. And then that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for an ending diagonal. But these volumes is what tell me that, okay, you've got to change that. And I did. So my 3 is here, and I'm still expecting 4, and then 5, and then continue lower down. I also prefer, well, my 5 maybe is not done. Maybe the 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to get 3 up here, right? And then 4, and then 5. But in either case, I compare the correction to wave 2, and we can get even an ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for a flat. Okay, we do not know. So this is my preferred count, by the way. So I'm looking at ABC, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a flat. I want to see price go down to around 538 or perhaps low, and then continue up in the 5th wave. This is what I'm looking for natural gas, and that is because of the volumes. And pretty much that's going to be all for the day, guys. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them on the YouTube section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take care, and enjoy the rest of the training session.